Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to share my GLAM laundry room makeover videos with you. In this video, I will show you how I painted my baseboards. I will have a link below for the brush and paint I used. I also used the TSP solution to clean the baseboards. If you are painting the whole room like I did, paint your baseboards last to avoid drips and mess. Here I have already painted my wall this beautiful gray, but I feel pretty confident that I don't need tape. To load your brush, dip and scrape off some paint if you have too much paint and then cut. Work slowly and don't rush. Painting here was a little bit awkward. I had the camera right in front of me. What I like to do when I clean the brushes, once it's dry, I like to put the case back on. I find it helps keep the brush clean. In the end, I did 2 coats, and this is how it looks finished. I love how white and bright they look now. To see a video on how I painted the walls this gray color, click on link below. My other GLAM laundry room makeover video links are down below as well. This is a work in progress, so stay tuned. If you want to help my channel grow and want to keep up with what I'm doing, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.